Do you like to listen to songs? If yes, let me tell you how you can earn money by doing the same thing. I've made around $480 by just listening to songs. For each song you listen to, you will get $6. If you listen to 10 songs, you will get paid $60. There is also no limit to this method, so you can potentially generate unlimited money. If you're interested, let me show you how you can do the same. First, search Jamendo in Google and open the first website that appears in search results. In this website, you can find thousands of copyright-free songs in different genres that you can listen to. Now, the first thing we need to do is create a free account. To do this, click on the login button, and then just click on this link that says sign up. You can create an account using the email and password, or you can use your Facebook or Google account for creating an account. After creating an account, you can download or listen to songs from this website. Now, you need to find songs that you like, but make sure they are also liked by others. To discover more songs, click on the More button, and you will have access to thousands of songs available for listening and downloading. I recommend playing the song and listening to it for a couple of seconds. If you like the song, then download it. Repeat this process as much as you can and download lots of songs, because the more songs you have, the more money you can earn. To download the song, like on this icon, and then click on Free Download. After you have downloaded the songs, we can move to the next step. Now head over to this website that will help us make money using downloaded songs. The website we are using is 3upload.com. This is an important step, so I need you to really focus on it. This website basically allows users to upload files and earn money by sharing links. We can also use it to upload music files and then share links to hundreds of people that will download the song using this link and listen to it. If you're thinking about how you can share links to people if you don't have any huge social media accounts, then don't worry, I will tell you a secret way to where you can share your link and earn money. But first, we need to upload the music file. To do it, first create an account by clicking the Sign Up button, then fill the basic details like username, email, password, and payment option. In the payment option, I recommend to select PayPal because it is easy to create and doesn't require any complicated verification. If you don't know how to create a PayPal account, just search on Google or YouTube, where you will find lots of tutorials that will help you create an account. After creating an account, click on Upload Files, and then select the way you want to upload a file. The easiest way to upload a file is using the File Upload option, so I'm going to choose that. After this, click Browse Files, and select the song you've downloaded. As soon as the song is uploaded, you will get a link that you can use to share your song. Before I tell you a secret way which you can use to share your links, let me tell you about the money you make from each download. As you can see, if the user is downloading from Tier 1 countries like the United States, Canada, Brazil, you will get $7. If the user is from Tier 2 countries, you will get $5. And lastly, for Tier 3, you get $4. For withdrawing your money, you can use payment options like Advicash, Bitcoin, Payeer, PayPal, Payoneer, and many more. Let's go back to the tutorial. After uploading a song and getting a link, you can use Facebook groups to share your links. This is the secret way I was talking about. Just search trending music and songs in Facebook and then select groups from filter options. By doing this, Facebook will only show groups related to search query. Now you need to join the groups that are open for all and have lots of members. After joining groups, share links into these groups, and if anyone clicks and downloads songs from your link, you will get money. By following these steps, you can easily earn money by listening to songs. Let me know if you like this video by pressing the like button and comment on which topic you want the next video on. If you want to know how to make money using Google News and your copy pasting skill, then check out this video.